Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Batman in a side view, like they call that a profile view. This one should be relatively easy. I think you can do it if you're a beginner, and that's it, okay? I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Stay all the way to the very end. At the very end, I'll do something kind of like, kind of bring the drawing together. So, let's do it. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the brow, which is basically, part of the front of the eye area. Line over here, pull up, down, line over here, out, forward, down, so around the eye area. Curve up, and we're gonna find the eye itself. It's gonna be kind of that squinty eye that he has. Pulling forward for the nose area. I'm going to pull straight down for that kind of nose with a cowl, right? Line here under the eye. Line up here. Pull kind of the cheek here, line for the cheek, line over here, back, top of the brow. Before I do that, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put a little bit more shadow there, right? And I'm going to fill this area in. Line here, it's a crease, kind of to show that his nose is in there. Show the bottom of his nose here sticking out, and fill that in. Gonna go to the front of his forehead, pull up, curve right here from the forehead, turning into the top of the head. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification right now if you like learning how to draw stuff. I go over how to draw everything. Everything is in short format. Everything's like 10 minutes. Or less. So absolutely hit that subscribe if you like that stuff. I gotta say that because sometimes people forget. Over here, I post every day, by the way, except every weekday, 3 times. Line up here for the bat ear. You can make that as short or as long as you want, but I'm gonna make it moderately, like that. Curve around the back. Line over here for the rest of the cowl. Yeah, the rest of the mask. Gonna be up here. Gonna go find the front of the lip here, the front of the upper lip. Down. Out. Get that lower lip. Down. Line here for kind of the upper lip. And it's gonna go kind of downward there. He's not going to be relatively happy. Front of the chin. Down over here for the, basically the base of the chin there. Back. I'm going to put some dark down there because of shadow. Going to go finish this mask now. In. Down. It's going to go forward. Line over here for the lower lip. Line over here for this area, and I'm gonna put some shadow in that area. Line from his face. Right here, he's got the jowls. I think they call it jowls, right? It's a kind of part of under. I don't know, like under your mouth, as this kind of hanging area. Back of the jaw here, up. And we're gonna have a line over here, up. It kind of shows his ear in the cloth, which I like. That's really cool. It's like a Jim Lee thing. Down, in, not too far in though. Back, because it's a pretty big neck. Far side ear over here, and I'm gonna fill in that far side ear to make it look like it's, back in space. The temple of the forehead, and I'm gonna make that a little bit thicker. Pull back, curved line here, pull up. Line, line, line. Let's go down to his neck. A little bit of like basically the throat right there. And that's going to go out a little bit for the Adam's apple. And it's going to pull back in. And then pull down to the kind of pit of his neck area. Let's make this a little bit more, because he's got like a thicker neck. Line over from the back of his neck is a sternocleidomastoid. Pull that still even forward more. Line over here for the back of the skull. Curve line in. Curve line in. Line in here. And now I'm going to find the cape there. Kind of put it out there. Forward. Down. And then the rest of the cape over here. And then maybe like the back part of the cape over here. I still feel like his neck could be thicker, so I'm going to bring that forward right there. Just thicken out that line, and it just automatically, because it was in shadow, right, it'll automatically give it more shape to his neck there, more thickness to his neck. Because I think it just needs to have it. Yeah. And that's mostly it. Let me see. You can also add like little lines here. You can always add more, like these thin lines going around all over the place. If you want to see somebody else, by the way, let me know. I can draw maybe more of these headshots from the side, or, you know, like 3/4, or up front tends to be kind of boring, but maybe those up front ones. But just let me know, because it's kind of fun to do these. I might do more of these comic ones if you like, because they are really, really fun, I think. It's just nobody asks for them. So, but you got to let me know, and I'll do more, and I'll do more if you ask me for them, okay? But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. That is Batman from the side view. I'll talk to you next time. Oh, also, don't forget, share the video if you can. Sharing the video really helps the channel out. And yeah, thank you so much. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour, as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.